Today we're going to be reviewing the corner zip wristlet from Coach and 4 ways to use it. So let's get into it. So this is the corner zip wristlet in signature canvas with stripe. So I've recently just ordered this off the Coach outlet. So let's just take a closer look at the actual wristlet here. So I got it in the walnut and black color, and it does have the Coach monogram canvas here, and then it does have the leather stripe down the front. So the stripe is only on the front, it isn't on the back, and then it does have the Coach logo stamped on the top here. And it's really, really pretty. I really like the colors of this wristlet. I was considering getting the Louis Vuitton one, but the price of that one was so much more than the Coach one. I managed to pick this one up for $99. It was normally $198, but it was down to $99. And the Louis Vuitton one retails for $595. So there's a massive price difference there. But I think this is really, really cute. So as you can see up close here, it is quite subtle, the monogram canvas here. And the background is the walnut color, and then it does have like the black Coach C on there. On the back, it is just the monogram canvas. And then you do have a gold zipper here, and it is a corner zipper, so it does go round to the sides there as well. It does have a top handle here, like a wristlet here. This isn't detachable, so it is actually attached, so you can't actually take this off. And then it just opens around the corner there. It feels very nice, it feels very luxurious, and it's quite lightweight as well, so it's not too heavy. Inside, we have like a material chocolate fabric, so this would be sort of the walnut color in there. And then there are 2 card slot pockets inside. So you can use this for different reasons. I bought it for a catch-all, but you can use it as like a travel pouch or a wallet. I will go into a few of those in a second and just show you how you can use this in different ways. But I purposely bought it for a catch-all little pouch just to put in my bag to keep all my essentials in there. So it does measure 16 centimeters in length, 10 centimeters in height, and 1.5 centimeters in depth. So it is quite a small pouch. You won't get a mobile phone in here unless you have quite a small phone, but if you have like a large iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy Ultra or anything like that, it's not going to fit in here. So it is purposefully used, I would say, as like a wallet or a catch-all or pouch for your bag. So the first way to use this wristlet is as a catch-all, and that's what I intend to use it for. So I'm currently using this one from Mimco, and Mimco is a store here in Australia. It is quite a popular store, and I do actually like this one, but I did want something a little bit more neutral and a little bit more slimline. So I'm going to take everything out of here and see if it fits inside of this one. So I'm going to show you what I actually carry around just on a daily basis inside a little pouch. So we do have my lip gloss, a hair tie with some bobby pins. We have some band-aids, a comb, some Panadol, my inhaler, and that's pretty much it. That's all that is in that pouch. So let's see if it's actually going to fit inside this one. So first of all, I'm going to pop my inhaler in just because it is a bit of a weird shape. So I think it's going to sit better on the bottom of the pouch. So it just fit better on the bottom. I'm then gonna put in my comb here, my band-aids, the Panadol, the lip balm, and then the hair tie with the bobby pins. And that all fits in there. It is quite full. I probably wouldn't put too much more in there. You could get more things in there, but I think that's looking pretty full, and I don't want it to sort of misshape or be too thick. So let's zip that up, and perfect. I think that looks really good. It still feels quite lightweight, but it's got everything in there. So the second way you could use this is actually as a travel pouch. Now, when I go away, I do tend to use a travel pouch. I have been using this one from Guess here. And this is actually a really good pouch. It's got a pocket in here, the zip on the top, so a little bit similar to this one. I would say for size comparison, this one is slightly bigger than this one. But I'm gonna see is if everything that I normally put in this just fits into this one. So let's open it up, and I'm gonna pop in some passports. So I do have 2 passports here, and I'm gonna pop those in there. And they actually fit really, really well in there. I'm just gonna pop a card, so you can also have like a card. I'm just using my Maya One card just for an example. You can pop that into the card slot. You can pop your boarding pass in there once it's been printed out, once you've checked in. There's then just a little bit of cash as well that I like to just have on hand in case I need it in the UK. Just some coins as well here. And like sometimes you do need coins to get like one of the trolleys after you get your luggage and things like that. If you've got quite a lot of luggage, those trolleys do come in handy. So you can pop those in the front pocket as well, in one of those little card slot pockets. And then just a key. So normally I just have some keys or a key to my suitcase, just in case I need to get into it if the lock breaks. And you can just pop those in. So everything does fit in there. It is nice and compact, and that will fit really, really well just into your hand luggage there. So let's zip it up, and that zips up great. So you can just pop that into your carry-on and you've got everything in there. The third way to use this is as an actual wallet. So because you've got the card slots in there, and then the main bit for cash. So I'm going to show you. So I'm just using some cards here, and I do feel like 2 cards fit nicely in each slot. So I'm going to pop those into the little card slots there, like so. And then you can put cash in here too. And it is actually wide enough here to fit the notes in long ways. So you don't have to fold them over. You can actually have them stretched out so you can actually see what notes that you have. So I'm going to pop those in there. And then you do also have room just to put any coins or change or anything like that into the bottom there. So it's actually a really good size wallet. And if you have more cards and you don't want to pop them in the card slots or they don't fit in the card slots, you can just slip them down the side next to the cash there. And then that zips up perfectly. You can pop that into your bag. And then the fourth way to use this is actually as a key pouch. So you can pop all your keys in there. So you can pop your house keys in there, and they actually fit into that little pocket, the card slot pocket there. You can fit your car key in there and like a gate key or something like that. And they all fit in there perfectly. I think that's actually a really good idea to use as a key pouch. That is another option that I might use it as, because I don't like just having my car key, my gate key and things just randomly in my bag. So I think that's a really good idea. I just wanted to show you as well that a large mobile phone isn't going to fit in here. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if I put that next to the pouch, you can see that it is too big to fit in there. So if you do have a larger phone, it isn't actually going to fit inside the pouch. Now, I also wanted to show you with the pouch inside a small bag. So this is the Longchamp Energy Extra Small Bag, and I do use this a lot. So let's pop this inside the bag just so you can see for size reference how much space it actually takes up. So that's the bag inside with nothing in it. So if we pop the pouch inside, it fits in there, no problem. There's still heaps of room in there. And then if I put my phone in there as well, there's still heaps of room in the bag. So if you do like to use a smaller bag like myself, this pouch is great. It is super slimline, so it is just going to slip in there and it fits in there perfectly. So yeah, there's no issue if you do like to have smaller bags. And obviously if you use a larger bag, it's going to fit in there, no problem. So yes, there's 4 different ways that you can actually use this little pouch. So I think that's very versatile. You've got some different options there. This does come in different colors as well. I will pop the colors on the screen that you can get it in. But yeah, for $99, I think that is a steal for a pouch like this. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this purchase. Really, really like it. It's very smooth. It looks very durable with the canvas. And I love the leather stripe on the front there. I hope you found this review helpful, and let me know in the comments if you've got any of the Coach pouches and what your thoughts are. I will link some other bag content on the screen as well for you to check out next if you are interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.